Guys, it's Gina. I am here to share these small artificial faux, whatever you want to call it, plants with you today. I have to say right off the bat, the brand sent me these over and I really wasn't expecting a lot. When I saw artificial plants, I thought they're not going to look real. These actually look much nicer, like I said, than I expected. From a distance, from even a couple of feet away, I would not guess that this is a fake plant. That's how real and nice this really looks. I especially like some of the leaves seem like they're a little bit shinier than others. I could see so many uses for these. Not only if you're in a house or I'm thinking like apartments, a dorm room, a bathroom, places where you want just a small touch of a plant. Even in your office, what a nice little plant this would be to sit there. But there are so many for uses for these, and there are 4 different ones, so I want to show them all to you. So this is the first one, and these are all about 7 inches high, and I actually brought an ink pen so I could kind of share when you're trying to kind of think about how tall it is. This is an ink pen for comparison. These actual little pots are some type of plastic, but they're about 2.5 inches all the way around, 2.5 inches tall, 2.5 inches wide. But the overall height of the plant, again, is about 7.5 inches. Compare that to an ink pen. But this is one of the plants. This one, I would say of all 4, this is maybe the only one that when you get a little bit closer up on these little branches, I can kind of see where you would maybe go, okay, that looks fake. Just the edges maybe give it away a little bit. But I'm telling you, a couple of feet away, I'm not going to notice that. It's just such a nice green touch and a way to brighten up wherever you decide to place it. Okay, this is the 3rd one. This reminds me a lot of like a boxwood plant. So cool. I actually can't wait to use these around my house. And then this is the 4th one. Again, you do get a set of 4. Like I said, so many places that I can see using this. And I don't have a huge home. It's a couple of thousand square feet, but I'm telling you, even in my house, plenty of places I can find to use these. So I'm going to say these are a really great find. And if you are looking for some type of small plants for your home or office, I would definitely give these a check out.